Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I've got one of the locks from my good friend Jan from Provincial Locksmith. He gifted this to me. It's just a cool little 5-pin rim cylinder Zimmcor. Never heard of it. So I thought we would stick it in the vise and discover it together. Alright, yeah, 5 pins. Here's the bitting. Nothing too crazy. Recently just cleaned up here, so got all my tools put away. Okay, thought so. Okay, yeah, so 40 thou. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice clicks. Oh, those are solid. Those are nice, solid clicks, eh? Wow, that was 5 solid clicks. I really like this lock. This is a loud lock. It talks nice to you. Let's check it out. What's inside, guys? This shim's a bit shimmed. Swap it out for a nice one here. There we go. Cool. So we got the open there. Lock it back up. I want to see what I wonder if I should shim this. Do I need to shim it? You know what? Just in case. Better to shim. All right. Number 5. And then 4. So standard T-pins, 1 to 5. Okay. Number 5 is a spool. Number 4 is a spool. Yeah, they're all spools. Number 3. What a beautiful lock. I really like this lock. The feedback was so loud and so clear. It was beautiful. Beautiful long spools. Just beautiful. I don't know why I really like this lock. It's a beautiful lock. Brass springs. Look at those little springs, eh? Small but mighty. I like those. All right, that is the Zimmcor. Really enjoyed that, I can't lie. Ugh. Boom. There you go, guys. Key pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Standard drivers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All spools. And then we got those nice, what are those? Brass springs or copper? Nice tiny little short springs. Beautiful. Really like this lock. Thanks, Jan. I really appreciate this, man. That's all I got for you guys today. Till next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. I will catch you later. Ciao.